How big is Tawarruq in global Islamic finance? Imagine a world where borrowing money doesn't involve interest, but still gets the job done quickly and smoothly. That's where Tawarruq plays a big role. It is one of the most common contracts used in Islamic banking and trade finance around the world. Tawarruq helps banks and customers access cash without breaking Islamic rules. It is especially popular in regions like the Gulf Cooperation Council countries, which include Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. These countries have large Islamic finance sectors that rely heavily on Tawarruq for everyday transactions. Tawarruq is used for many purposes. People use it for personal loans, to manage liquidity, or for short-term funding needs. Islamic banks often use Tawarruq to give customers cash for buying homes, cars, or paying off debts. The process involves the bank buying a commodity, like metals or agricultural products, from a supplier on a deferred payment basis. Then the bank sells that commodity to the customer at a higher price. The customer then sells the commodity to a third party for cash. This chain of sales turns a deferred payment into immediate cash for the customer. The size of Tawarruq in the global Islamic finance market is quite significant. It is estimated that it accounts for a large portion of Islamic banking transactions, especially in liquidity management. Many Islamic banks relying on Tawarruq contracts to meet short-term funding needs, which makes it a key tool for their operations. It is also used for corporate financing, helping businesses get working capital while sticking to Islamic principles. The total value of Tawarruq transactions worldwide is difficult to pinpoint exactly, but it is believed to be worth hundreds of billions of dollars annually. Despite its popularity, Tawarruq has some critics. Some scholars argue that certain forms of Tawarruq may resemble interest-based lending if not structured properly. For example, when multiple contracts are prearranged or the commodity trade is purely nominal, it can raise questions about compliance with Islamic law. Still, most Islamic financial institutions follow strict guidelines and have dedicated Sharia boards to ensure their Tawarruq transactions are legitimate. In practice, Tawarruq is embedded into many Islamic banking products globally. It is used for personal finance, corporate loans, and liquidity management. Banks often have special committees to oversee these contracts and make sure they follow Islamic rules. Overall, Tawarruq has become a vital part of Islamic finance, bridging the gap between conventional cash needs and Islamic legal requirements. Its widespread use shows how effective it is in providing quick, compliant liquidity solutions across the world.